In this video, I want to show you how to use a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable to connect your JBL Flip 7 to a computer, to a phone, to anything. So the first step is to connect the USB Type-C in the device you want to output the sound. So here I have an iPhone. Let's say I don't want to use Bluetooth. I'll simply connect it over here. Now, when you're going to connect this other end in the USB Type-C port of the Flip 7, you need to hold the play button. If not, it will not work. So I'm holding the play button and I'm connecting it. And you're going to hear a sound. That sound means that the speaker has been connected to your phone. So now if I play a song, as you see, it's coming out of the speaker without using Bluetooth. The Bluetooth light, I don't know if you see, is turned off because we're using a wired connection instead. So always remember to keep press the play button when you insert the cable and it should work. Same thing on a PC or a Mac computer. Same exact steps. They say that you lose less audio by doing this method. Unfortunately, I didn't test this out to see if it's actually much better. Obviously, this is a small speaker, so I don't think you're gonna notice much sound improvement. But this is how it works. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.